Hey guys, I wanted to show you my Autometer gauges I just put in the truck. I went with the boost, pyrometer, and rail pressure gauges because those are three important things I like to see as a mechanic, and I'll show you under the hood how I installed those. So I zoomed in here on the pyrometer. Typical install of any pyrometer, just drill tap the exhaust manifold right in the Y portion where all the cylinders come into one. Did it in place. All my EGR stuff's intact, or at least back on the truck because I was forced to put it on by the Ministry of Environment. Over here on the intake side for boost pressure, here's my boost line here and the fitting. I drilled and tapped this fitting in as well. Typically they come with an adapter. You take this bolt out and put the line on top. The kit didn't come with that, so that was no problem just to drill and tap this intake horn here, and that works good. And as far as rail pressure, on the back of the common rail here, there's the plug for fuel pressure, which typically you can't see that the computer monitors. Two wires connect to that, a black and a purple, off your switch. Now I opted for these gauges here because they look like the factory gauges in the truck, which I thought was pretty cool. There is a less expensive gauge kit by Glow Shift, and I guess that's cool if you want to run some neon pinks or whatever in your truck. But I'll just show you quickly how these work. I'll start the truck up and the rail pressure will go up to, should be about 5,000 psi. That's settled at about 6. Pretty responsive. You can see the pyrometer in action. And the boost gauge likely won't build too much boost here sitting, but it does go up. So yeah, those are the three gauges. They work awesome. Like I said, very expensive, but I love the way they match and the way they look and the way they sit. And they do have a nice little light at night. So if you're thinking of gauges and you want that factory look, these are definitely the ones to get. There's no flickering, they're very solid, the needles are solid, everything works really good. Like I said, they're expensive, but you definitely get good quality from Autometer for these gauges. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.